Honor Watch X5i Review, Best Budget Smartwatch for Health Tracking and Everyday Use. In this video, I'm going to review the Honor Watch X5i and find out whether this affordable smartwatch is actually a good choice for health tracking, fitness, and everyday use. Starting with the display, the Watch X5i features a large 1.97-inch AMOLED screen with a 60 Hz refresh rate and slim 2mm side bezels. That's impressive for a budget-focused smartwatch because you get a large, vibrant display for checking notifications, workout information, and health data. The watch itself weighs just 28 grams without the strap and measures around 10.9 millimeters at its thinnest point. Battery life is another major advantage. Honor equips the X5i with a 420 mAh battery and claims up to 21 days of battery life under its specified usage conditions. Real-world endurance will naturally depend on features such as continuous monitoring, Bluetooth calling, workouts, and how frequently you use the display. Now let's talk about health tracking. The Watch X5i supports 24-hour monitoring of heart rate, blood oxygen, and stress. It can also provide alerts for certain abnormal readings. Sleep tracking is included as well. The watch can record information about light, deep, and REM sleep, giving you a better overview of your sleeping patterns inside the Honor Health app. For fitness, you get 109 sports modes. You can set workout goals based on calories, duration, or distance, and Honor also provides running courses and stretching guidance through the Honor Health app. Beyond fitness, the X5i includes Bluetooth calling, meaning you can answer calls directly from your wrist when the watch is connected to your smartphone. You also get useful everyday functions such as notifications, alarms, a remote camera shutter on compatible devices, breathing exercises, and more than 180 watch face options. One limitation to keep in mind is that the Watch X5i is primarily a lightweight health and fitness smartwatch, rather than a full-featured premium wearable. If you need advanced training metrics, extensive third-party applications, or high-end smartwatch functionality, you'll want to compare it with more expensive alternatives. Here's a pro tip. For more meaningful health trends, wear the watch consistently and make sure it fits snugly without being uncomfortable. Individual readings can naturally fluctuate, so longer-term trends are usually more useful than obsessing over one measurement. And remember, Honor specifically states that the Watch X5i is not a medical device. Its heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, and other health measurements are intended for general health management and reference, not medical diagnosis or treatment. So is the Honor Watch X5i worth buying? If your priorities are a large AMOLED display, long-claimed battery life, Bluetooth calling, sleep monitoring, basic health tracking, and plenty of workout modes at an affordable price, it offers a very compelling package. However, if serious athletic training or advanced smartwatch apps are your priorities, consider stepping up to a more capable model. Overall, the Honor Watch X5i looks like a strong budget smartwatch for everyday users who want the essential health, fitness, and communication features without paying flagship prices. If you found this review helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which smartwatch you want me to review next.